Good morning. It is Saturday and I thought I would take you along for like a weekend in the life vlog. We are going to go to Goodwill this morning, so I'm just going to put on just a little bit of makeup. You want to look out the window, puppy? I'm going to open the window for her and then I'll put on a little makeup. I feel like I'm not very good at showing my outfits on YouTube, like I always forget to do them. But I'm just wearing this Yoda shirt and this little cardigan, this skirt, and my Crocs. And I'm bringing a tote bag for whatever goodies we find. And a dog is just being battled in the background. Okay, put her away.
I'll go get in your bed.
Go get in your bed, baby.
Big treat. One treat.
Peppy, go get in your bed. I'm trying to buy less, so I'm just gonna show things I like, but I'm not getting. This little vase, I feel like would be such a cute little like, or I guess it's a pitcher, but it would be a cute vase for flowers. We lost a diva. I really love this train one, but I don't like that it has the American flag like so super prominent. This little ceramic house, it's so detailed. But you can put like a candle inside, I think. Back from, sorry, Pepper is drinking our water. Hi, baby. We're back from Goodwill and I am gonna watch some YouTube, and Kyle just picked up some bagels for us. So I'm gonna have my bagel and then, oh, I'll show you what I got at Goodwill a little bit later, but I'm gonna eat first. And I'm watching Jen LaForge's Viking Sea Cruise, her like Mediterranean. I think that's the right region to call it. But this looks so beautiful. I got this gluten-free bagel with egg salad and I am so excited about it. I'm so hungry. As promised, just showing you what I got at Goodwill. I got this blazer. It still had like its tags on it, so not like super cute. I mean, it is cute, but I can always use work clothes because I have like a couple work trips this year. Yeah, and I don't have a blazer that's this color. And then the other item I got was this skirt. It's like a long tiered skirt with these eyelets in it. And I wanted a skirt like this in white. I kind of got one on Poshmark, but I'm not in love with it. But I saw this in brown, so I'm like, why not? And long skirts are kind of having like a moment right now, which I like, but I still haven't exactly figured out how to style it. So I kind of have to play with this a little bit. So it's like early afternoon now and we have some evening plans tonight with friends. So in the meantime, I want to like kind of clean up and just get my life in order. So I'm just going to work on cleaning now. So enjoy. Of hair and have a pet with a lot of hair, you will understand this. This is what it looks like after vacuuming and then Swiffering. And this will be like 2 days worth. Pepper, are you worth it? Are you? It's a few hours later and now I'm going to get ready to go to our evening plans. So I'm gonna wash my face and like redo my makeup and my hair and stuff. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time for them to sit like this, but I don't know. Hopefully it did something. If nothing, just like a little bounce, you know? Not terrible. Here's the thing, it's gonna fall flat in like 15 minutes. So it doesn't really matter, but cute. Okay, I have to change. A very quick little outfit moment because we have to get out the door. This little top I got from Off Market or Offie Market. I'm not sure how to say it. And then this was from Poshmark. It's like a little cool tonight, so I probably won't wear this the whole time, but I want to have a layer. And then I'm just doing jeans and then these little mesh flats that are also from Off Mart. And this is also from Poshmark. My little button purse, and yeah. Oh, I'm gonna pick some jewelry before I go out the door, but see ya.
To win. First team, you're up.
Powerful, commanding.
I'm Stephanie, by the way. Hi. Nice to meet you. Cutie pie, what's your name? You don't know. Oh, Oliver. I didn't.
I love this pizza piece, and I was just telling Kyle, like, our living room walls, like, we kind of have like a gallery wall, but I want to like fill it out more so that it like goes up to the ceiling and like down to the couch. I just love the look of that, like how this back room looks here. Oh, there's another one back here. That's funny. It'd be funny if they were like interchangeable hearts.
Next idea.
We just left the art show and we're going to Uniqlo before we meet up with some friends for dinner. Okay, I still have never been to any Universal Park, but I absolutely love this ET shirt. Well, I love ET in general. And this Snoopy shirt was really cute too. But I don't think I'm gonna get anything. It's very weird because we both used to work in this area of the city, you know, like probably 7 or 8 years ago. So being down here like feels like that time of my life in a strange way. And I don't really miss it. Peppy.
Peppy. Toy.
You are crazy this morning. Oh no.
Can you sit? Can you sit?
Oh my goodness.
Pepper.
Peppy, sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Good girl. Okay. I'm gonna do a baking project today, but I'm like just taking my time getting ready. And now I'm gonna check on my flowers outside. Pepper, no, don't eat that. Ooh, this one is growing a flower, a bloom, but I don't know what kind of plant this is. Does it have a little thing? Yes. Casanova Scarlet. And I don't know. That should be pretty when it blooms. My lavender looks pretty. I'm doing that like TikTok trend with like the flower over your face. I'll maybe insert a clip here or just go to my TikTok. But I picked one of these dandelion things, and I haven't picked one of these in so long. That's all. Picking up some things I need for my baking project. But now I'm starving. I'm gonna go home and have some lunch. Got really tired after lunch and I've just been scrolling on my phone, and I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit and watch the Rangers and maybe get the afternoon get more energy this afternoon to do my like baking project I wanted to do, but I'm just so tired. I also need to dust.
It's really nice that Mom didn't have to choose her favorite son, too. Okay, I asked John Young about it. I said, hey, do you guys call up Marucci as the batting glove they use? I said, you guys call Marucci and order like 2 or 3 dozen, and then you guys split them up?
I'm embarrassed to say that I just straightened up this room yesterday and it's already kind of a mess, but I'll re-straighten it today or this evening. But I wanted to show you my chair I got. It just came in today. I ordered it a few days ago, and it's one of those like kneeling chairs because my back is always I have terrible posture. I've always had terrible posture, but like my back is always killing me in that chair I use at my desk. So I'm gonna put this together now. Taking a little dinner break now. This was a quiche I made a few days ago, so having leftovers. Hi, little lady. Yep, we're coming in to see you. Hi. Hi, gentle little girl. She's so cute. She's getting more like brown, which she's 53% blue heeler, or like Australian cattle dog. And blue heelers a lot of times have a lot of black and white, but they have a lot of that like brown also. So it's kind of cute to see that come in her coat. You my good girl? Yeah, 53% blue heeler, 15% Great Pyrenees, 15% like pit bull, and like 9% German Shepherd, which she kind of has like a German Shepherd shape, I always think, her silhouette. But okay, bye. Sorry I disturbed you. I have my chair in place now, and I was worried that it was like gonna look goofy at my desk, but I actually don't mind that at all. And it is super comfortable. I sat here and caught up on my emails a little bit before the workday tomorrow, and I'm really happy with it. Okay, I'm set up to bake. Sometimes the most exhausting part of it is like knowing that I have to record. I wish I could just like record with my eyeballs, so I could just bake and not have to have everything set up. But thanks, Kyle. But I'm making these like basically like thumbprint cookies, and I'm doing like 3 different jams in the like thumbprints, and they're supposed to look like flowers. So it's like a little flower and garden situation, so I'll let you know how they turn out. Good morning. It's actually Monday morning now, and I forgot to close out the vlog yesterday. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'd be appreciative if you should decide to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.